What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, I want to show you exactly why you never ever want to give out your private keys. Even when you go on a website and says, hey, you need to upload your private keys because we're getting like an airdrop, or hey, in order to claim this and this thing, we need your private keys. No one will never ever need your private keys. And if someone says, hey, log in here, enter your private keys, say, nah, bro, I'm good. Never give your private keys. I'm going to show you guys exactly why right now. Now, this is just a random wallet that I had set up. So before you get all too antsy and happy, it's just some random wallet that I just set up. I'm going to use the Binance Chain wallet. Binance Chain is the same thing as MetaMask. These are all interchangeable. Like, you can upload MetaMask private keys to a Binance Chain, or you can even do Trust Wallet private keys. They are all the same. The reason why I'm showing you this is I want to show you why you should never, ever send out your private keys to anyone. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and hit reset your wallet. Okay, yeah, whatever, reset your data, cool. Okay, but I'm going to reset my account with a seed phrase. So I'm going to restore my account. So say, for example, I gave my seed phrase to a hacker. And say I'm the hacker. All right, so I just got your seed phrase because you're like, oh, well, in order to claim the airdrop, this guy needs my seed phrase. So you just sent me your seed phrase. And I'm like, loser, that's fine. Let me go ahead and put in your seed phrase. So I put in the seed phrase, and then I enter a strong password. This is just whatever one that I want to set up. This is just so we can get this across. So this one kind of didn't plug in at first, but as you can see, this space here, I just had to get rid of it. But I just entered your private keys in now. So rug, illegal. It's funny how it says rug. Of course. Yeah, we're doing an illegal rug right now. Yeah, so we just entered and created a random password. And whatever, we just confirmed the password. And we just entered your private keys. Now let's hit reset. So we reset and boom, bada bing, bam. We just took your funds. We just took your wallet. We now have access to this wallet. Yes, there are no funds on it. But if there were funds on this wallet, if you would have given me your private keys, I would now have your funds and I can send them to wherever I want. So all I got to do is say send, select any asset that I want, and send it to any of the addresses I want, hit max, and then send. And there goes your money. Anyways, guys, that's why you don't give out your private keys. Let's go and leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. In Proverbs chapter 21, verses 10, the wicked crave evil. Their neighbors get no mercy from them. Don't be evil. Be good. Be righteous. You know what happens when it's evil? Neighbors never get mercy, man. You guys can also catch me on tweeters. It's at rent a home fast. Like literally, at rent a home fast.